Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching the News Hour Special Edition with me, Priya Behel. 22-year-old champion Manu Bhakar has scripted history by becoming the first Indian woman to win a shooting medal at the Olympic Games. She has ended India's 12-year-long wait for an Olympic medal in shooting. She's clinched a bronze in a women's 10-meter air pistol event. Manu Bhakar was just 0.1 points behind South Korea's Kim Ye-ji when she was eliminated in the finals. Kim eventually won the silver medal while her compatriot Oh Ye-jin has claimed the gold. Celebrations and congratulations have broken out, messages pouring in from across all quarters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Manu Bhakar and cheered her for her victory.
Hello, namaste sir.
मनु नमस्ते, खूब खूब अभिनंदन, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया से। आप तो ये तुम्हारी सफलता का खबर सुनने के बाद और उत्साह और आनंद में हूँ।
जी, अच्छा कर रहे हैं हमारे खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे अभी।
आप स्वयं को वैसे 0.1 से आप सिल्वर आपका रह गया,
जी,
लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी आपने देश का नाम रोशन किया। आपको दो प्रकार की क्रेडिट मिल रही है। एक तो आप कहाँ से पदक लाई, लेकिन भारत की पहली महिला है जो इस खेल में मेडल लेके आई हो।
जी सर, हाँ जी, शुक्रिया सर।
मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई है। देखिए, टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में राइफल ने तेरे साथ दगा कर दिया।
हाँ जी,
लेकिन इस बार तुमने सारी कमियों को पूरा कर दिया।
बिल्कुल सर, अभी और भी मैचेस हैं आगे, तो उनमें भी उम्मीद रहेगी कि अच्छा करूँ मैं।
मुझे पक्का विश्वास है आगे की मैचेस भी बहुत अच्छा करोगी आप, क्योंकि ये बिगिनिंग इतना अच्छा है, उसके कारण तुम्हारा उत्साह भी बढ़ेगा, आत्मविश्वास भी बढ़ेगा।
जी सर,
देश
बिल्कुल,
को भी इसका लाभ होगा।
बिल्कुल सर।
बाकी सब साथी एकदम प्रसन्न है, व्यवस्थाएं ठीक है सर वहाँ?
सब बहुत खुश हैं सर, और अभी नमस्ते भी कह रहे हैं आपको।
हमने भी कोशिश की है कि वहाँ जितना ज्यादा सुविधाएं मिले सब हमारे खिलाड़ियों को, खेल की दृष्टि से जो कंफर्ट चाहिए सब देने का प्रयास तो किया है।
अच्छा सर, अभी तो सब कुछ है हमारे पास, तो सारे प्रयास सफल रहे आपके, मुझे लगता है सब इजी है।
आप लोगों की मेहनत रंग लाने वाली है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी, चलिए, तो घर में बात हुई है रामकृष्ण जी से?
अभी तो नहीं हुई सर, शाम को घर जाके करूँगी, जब रूम पे जाएंगे तब बात होगी घर पे। हाँ जी,
हमारे पापा को बहुत खुशी होगी क्योंकि उन्होंने तुम्हें बहुत प्रोत्साहित किया है।
बिल्कुल, माँ भी और पिताजी भी और भाई भी। जी,
चलिए, मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
जी।
Times Now's Karishma has spoken to India's champion Manu Bhakar as well, and she tells us why she was thinking about Bhagavad Gita and how that helped her nail the bullseye.
The girl of the moment is here with me, bronze medalist, the first woman shooter to win an Olympic medal, Manu Bhakar. Manu, the medal in your neck, how does it feel? You've worked very, very hard. We've seen you in Tokyo. We're seeing you today in Paris. The journey that you've had, just try and describe the feelings for us and for everyone back home.
Firstly, thank you so much for the wishes. After Tokyo, it was not so easy. It was not so good. But I kept going and on and on and on. I was like, okay, at least I can try the best that I have in myself as much as I can. So I kept trying. And 2023 was the time when, me and Jaspal sir, we started working again together. And we all can see the results. It worked in my favor, and I'm so grateful to have won this medal for all of us.
Can you just go a little closer so that everyone can see your medal here?
So this is a piece of Eiffel Tower, they say, and this is the
with the happy smile that Manu has on her face. And, you know, I was saying in my lives earlier as well that like I said, I've seen you in Tokyo and I've seen this big smile after a long, long time on your face, a girl on a mission who knew what she was doing. You know, just tell us a little about your journey also, Manu. What did you do to keep your focus? And, you know, what were the changes that you brought about after Tokyo in yourself? And what helped you, not just on the shooting range, but off it as well?
I think major thing that plays a huge role in anybody's career is consistency. So the more consistent you are with your performances, with your efforts that you put in every day, chahe kuch bhi ho, like the routine that you follow every day, the more consistent you are with that, I think the more strong you get, the stronger you get and farther you go. So this is one mantra that I always follow, that I have to be consistent. Even if I don't feel like going to the gym today, I will have to go to the gym because it counts in the longer picture. And after Tokyo, I think in Tokyo, I was kind of scared with the things. I was not, my approach was kind of like defending on the defensive side. But this time, certain things have changed, and with age also, like people grow, and with age they become more mature. With more experiences, they have more things to rely on, and so yeah, all these factors combined.
Manu, I was reading about the fact that you spoke about reading the Bhagavad Gita and how that also helped you. Would you want to talk a little about that as well?
Yeah, so I have a meditation coach, and I always ask him to, you know, tell me just 2 shlokas from the Gita. And so he'll always tell me, like, every day he will tell me 2. So, I really enjoy it. And I what I like about it is that it is relevant even in today's time, and with every human being, every person can relate to it. And it's like, I believe in some energy that, okay, somebody is up there looking down on me, or like, you know, looking for me and arranging things for me. And however it will turn out, I will just give my best. As Krishna says to Arjuna, like, do your karma and do not think about the results, the outcome. It's not in your hands. You just focus on your karma. So I just go by that mantra.
And Manu, last question. You obviously have 2 more events to look forward to. You have the mixed team qualification. You're also participating in the 25 meter event. So obviously everyone's expecting more medals from you. But obviously, how do you deal with that sort of a pressure situation? You're going to be celebrating today, but you're also going to be looking forward to the qualification that you have tomorrow morning.
Yes, definitely. I have a match tomorrow, and that's all I know. Other things can wait for maybe 10 more days. Celebrations and everything can wait. But yes, tomorrow's match, and then I have like 3-4 more matches following that. So I am always aware when I'm on the lane. I'm always aware that, okay, people recognize me, who I am and all. And okay, I've had a long career. I've had a 8.5 year like professional career where I'm shooting on international platforms and all. So it has been a long career for me, and I mean, I'm aware always that people will support.
And Manu, you spoke about celebrations. Let me just tell you, we spoke to your mother and she was just excited. She said, Manu को वापस आने दो, जो बोलेगी वो मैं उसको बना के खिलाऊंगी, जो मैं बनाती हूँ उसको अच्छा लगता है. तो एक्साइटमेंट आपके घर पे भी पूरी है.
कमाल है, मेरी बात नहीं हुई है घर पे. I was thinking once I reach to in my room, then I'll be able to talk. But that's great. And yes, I love जो भी मम्मा बनाती है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है घर का खाना. So yeah, can't wait.